You don't need a MyDORWAY account to make a payment. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make a payment without logging in. To begin, visit the MyDORWAY homepage. Click the Make a Payment link in the Payments and Refunds panel. From this screen, choose the type of payment that you'd like to make. For this example, we will be making a bill payment. You would choose this option if you've received a bill or notice from the SCDOR. After you choose your payment type, you'll be prompted to provide your taxpayer information and the type of bill payment you're making. After selecting your bill payment type, you will need to provide your payment number. Your payment number can be found at the bottom of your bill or notice. If you need help finding your payment number, click the Where is my payment number link to view a sample payment voucher. Click Next to continue. Enter your payment date and payment amount into the Payment Information panel and your contact information in the Contact Information panel. Once you're finished, click Next. Choose your payment method. Please read the differences between the two payment types carefully before making your selection. Credit card payments are processed through a third-party website. These payments cannot be future dated or canceled, and their status cannot be viewed in MyDORWAY until they are processed. For this example, we will select Bank Account. Click Next to continue. Enter your banking information into the available fields. Click Next to continue. Enter your email address into both fields, which will serve as your electronic signature. Click Submit to submit your payment. This is the confirmation page that contains your confirmation code. Print or write down your confirmation code for your record so that you can track this transaction in the future. You'll need this code if you ever need to look up or cancel your payment. Click OK to return to the MyDORWAY home screen. To look up or cancel your ACH payment, go to the MyDORWAY home screen and click the Make a Payment link in the Payments and Refunds panel. Click the Find Existing Payment link. Enter the email address you used as your electronic signature and the confirmation code you received for your payment. Click Submit to look up your payment. Click the tabs at the top to view information about your payment. To cancel the payment, click the Delete link at the top of the page and then click Yes to confirm. You can only cancel a payment if it has not yet been processed. If you can no longer cancel the payment, the Delete link will not be visible. For more information about MyDORWAY, including tutorials and how to sign up, visit dor.sc.gov/MyDORWAY. Thanks for watching.